Can everybody see that metallic object right there? This is the area. This is the UFO landing. Very well known. Wow. Can everybody see that? Do you guys see that? Let me know where everybody's watching from. Do you believe in UFOs? Look at that. Let me see who's here in the comments. I want to see who's here, who's watching. Look at that, guys. You guys see that UFO? Do you actually see it? Do you believe in aliens, everybody? Look at that. I will get closer, guys. I'm going to slowly approach it. I'm going to slowly approach the alien craft. So if everybody wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up. Whoa, what the hell was that then? Something just growled. Something just absolutely growled. Can everybody see that metallic saucer in the middle of the woods? This is a very, very well known place for UFOs. UFOs land here, and there's one right here. I'm going to slowly approach it. Everybody, you need to share this stream. Share it to as many people as you can do. Hit the thumbs up, hit the love hearts, take your screenshots. Aliens have been seen walking around here, and we are here and there's a UFO there. Can you hear that? So where's everybody watching from around the world? I will get closer. I'm just taking my time. Don't want to get too close straight away.
Does anybody know where we are, guys?
Look at that, wow.
What's that noise?
Can everybody see that? So let me know where you are watching from around the world. Smash the share button.
Would you guys approach that thing? Would you approach it? Should we go near it?
We're going to go near it, guys. We are going to go near it. There it is. So if you don't know, this area is famous for UFOs. People see lights in the sky. People see lights coming down into the forest. And people see aliens. People see aliens.
I'll tell you about
people
this place,
encounter lost time. People have even said they've been abducted. People have seen hooded figures in the woods, which are believed to be aliens.
It's known as Britain's Roswell, this place.
We will go over to it, guys. I want all of you to share the stream for me. Start a watch party.
It's this what we're showing you now, guys. This occurrence is the most famous of claimed UFO events to have ever happened in the United Kingdom. Right here where we are. We're going to go right over to that spot. It's ranking amongst the best known reported UFO events worldwide where we are. It's been compared to the Roswell UFO incident in the United States. And like I just said, it's referred to as Britain's Roswell.
So can you guys see that metallic object in the middle of the woods? A UFO-shaped object? Let me know in the comments, do you believe in aliens?
Come on, guys, share this out and then we'll go near it.
We'll go near it, guys.
We will. Who knows this story? Who knows where we are? It is extremely famous.
So has everybody shared? Hit the thumbs, hit the love hearts, hit the...
Do you know, it does feel strange, doesn't it, this place? Like,
yeah.
It does feel really peculiar. And just over that way is an RAF base, guys. Giving you more clues as to where we are. Not far from here.
Thank you for the stars, Gerald. Okay. Guys, can you see the metallic object there, guys? I can't.
Oh.
So where's everybody watching from? We've nearly got 900 people in the chat. Let me know where around the world you're all from.
I'll just give it a share, guys.
Thank you, Alison.
Come on, let's share this out.
Wow.
This is a true story, like I just explained.
Are we in any danger? Can you guys see it? Can you guys see that? We'll give away a prize if we can get 2,000 people in the chat. We'll give away a prize. So everybody share the stream. And start a watch party, please. Getting closer to it, guys.
It's weird, it feels funny. I'm just doing my little bit of sharing, guys.
Have you guys ever seen a UFO?
Some weird noises going on around us.
Whoa, fire.
So we are near a live.
Something's shooting.
Space, aren't
We are. 1.3 in the chat. Keep sharing, guys. Hit the share button. Let me know where you're watching from around the world. Follow the page. Can you guys see that? .4. We'll put a device on. See if any aliens can communicate before we go to it. Do you guys want me to go right close up to it? Let me know in the comments. It's definitely not a tent, guys. Do you guys see that? Everyone leave us a thumbs up. Let us know in the comments. Can you see it?
Can I tell you a bit about the place, or should we just wait a minute?
There's all gunfire everywhere, guys. Gun! That just said gun. Did you hear that? Thank you, Darla. Are there any aliens here? Please speak. Please speak to us, alien. What did that just say? I come here. Thank you, Mary Gash. 900 stars. Thank you. Get back.
How do we know what aliens would
You hold this a sec. I'm going to approach it, guys.
Don't! Stop it, Lee.
You just keep that if you get me.
Wait a minute, guys. Hang on. Let me just get here.
No.
No, I'm
standing. Keep that. You hold this.
Yeah.
Keep there. I'm going to approach it, guys.
That's
Feel
a bit...
free to warn
There
me
you go,
on.
Matt. Yeah, we'll go closer soon. Yeah, Lee will go up. He's going to go up. We'll go near it as well. That said mission. Definitely not a tent, guys. If you don't like it, guys, don't watch. But paranormal isn't just about finding ghosts, it's also about UFOs and everything like that. You think this is fake, do you, Kirby? You need to do your Google research. Anybody else is missing this is fake? Go do your Google research. It is Willie Oakes, yeah, it's definitely exactly Anita Stevens here.
Say there again. I'm going to do it again.
Oh, that's it's all pixelated. I need to zoom out a bit.
No.
It is, they can't see it.
Please keep it like that.
There.
No.
That's better. Yep, this is real.
So, if you don't know, this is famous story. A UFO landed here. It's the UK's equivalent to Area 51.
Roswell,
And the story originally begins at the RAF base, where they actually are doing a routine perimeter check around 1980. And the officers came out, they saw balls of light in the sky. They actually chased the lights down to this area. They noticed the lights coming down through the forest, actually landed. Still up in there. So everyone, please share the stream. Leave us a thumbs up.
Famous! Did you hear that, guys? Famous! We will take you over soon. It's alright. You can see. Go on, we'll go a little closer. Go on, Lee, carry on.
We will lose signal when we go close to it.
The way? Yeah, but like I said, paranormal isn't just about searching for ghosts and spirits. It's also about
You stay there.
searching. It is, Jane. That's right, we're in Rendlesham Forest.
Please speak. Alien.
Well, Chris Smith, you must be a plonker for watching us if you think like that. I'm just replying to some trolls here. You need to do your research, all you ones who are dismissing this. Research. Rendlesham Forest. UFO sighting. It's very true. Yes. You understand, guys? If you don't believe in aliens, guys, then it's like you don't, if you don't believe in ghosts, it's entirely up to yourself. Well, exactly, Dolly. If we disappear, it's the the doing of the government. But no, guys, right?
Famous again.
Famous. That there obviously is not. It's not a real UFO, okay? It's not a real aircraft. It is a model of something that was documented to have landed or maybe crashed here. We're in Rendlesham Forest.
So
okay.
I'm going to approach it, and as I approach it, we're doing a Singapore theory effect.
Exactly.
I'm going to pretend like I'm a serviceman who's just stumbled across this UFO.
Yeah.
And I want the spirit box to communicate and tell us some relevance to what's happening. Because you imagine being in the service, you see these balls of light, you're not just going to approach it.
You're not, you wouldn't.
You're going to hide behind trees and you're going to suss it out.
I'm going to say, guys, seriously, if that was real, do you think me and Lee would be stood here? Seriously. It all makes sense now, but you need, once you've watched this, guys, Google Rendlesham Forest, UK, UFO sightings. Exactly where we are.
So, everybody, leave us a thumbs up.
No, it's not fake.
Stop arguing with him. Leave us a thumbs up. Smash the share button.
Yeah.
And start a watch party, please.
Oh, all you people who are dismissing.
This is worldwide.
This is, well, a lot of them are English. But like we said, guys, it's up to your beliefs. Exactly, Paul Stevens, if it was a real UFO, which it said it was to have landed, you need to read it.
Ask questions. Concentrate on the UFO.
So speak to us, spirits. What is here? Exactly. December 1980. I think it was Boxing Day, December the 26th, 3 o'clock in the morning. Hey, Urban. Lee's running from the aliens, though. Guys. Oh, God. This is an actual, true story. Team, it says. Do you really think a real UFO would be left there for all and sundry to come and see? You guys need to Google it, okay? Google, like I said, Rendlesham Forest. Exactly, Hazel, yes. But a real UFO was seen here, okay? It was seen here. So it's not fake, it's a true story. Yes. Seriously, guys, come on. Just seriously, thank you, Ilinka, I think. Sorry for your stars. Just seriously think a real UFO would be stuck there in the middle of a forest. Government would have taken it away. There's some absolutely crazy fools on here. It's not real, it's fake. Of course a real UFO's not going to be stuck there. Okay, I'm going to take you to it. We're just reenacting a bit, you know? I'm just telling them. Fools, it's not real, it's fake. Of course a real UFO is not going to be stuck there. But this precise area, if you do your research and you Google Rendlesham Forest UFO sighting, this is the exact area here. You see? Where, yeah, anybody can visit Rendlesham, Thomas, where this alleged UFO, which is, whether it looked like that, we do not know.
It is described like that.
It's designed, described like Lee says. And I will show you, look, guys. Yes, exactly, Patricia, it is a scenario, but some people don't have imaginations. So they just jump straight on the bandwagon. Oh, it's fake. Fools. But guys, look. Use a little bit of imagination. There we go. Okay, that's what you need. Google. And this is, let's just say, yeah. There you go. Okay, that's what we're seeing, and it shows you, look.
Yo, if there's any aliens here...
Sky.
Can you tell us, are we alone on this planet? Are we alone? Are we the only planet in existence here, Spirit?
I'll tell you something, guys. Obviously, you know me and Lee do ghost hunting. I believe more in UFOs than I do in spirit. We can't go inside it, guys. It's just a model. Again, a model. But,
Look at the handprints,
yeah, look at the handprints, look. You know, obviously, the government would not leave a real UFO for everybody to come and play with, would they? No. Whether these things were on it, we will never know. Yeah, we are near a real live military
You know what actually happened,
base.
though?
Wait a sec, I'll show you these guys. There you go.
Let me just say what actually happened. When the actual serviceman touched the UFO, because he actually approached it and he touched it.
Mm-hmm.
And when he touched it, he had a download of information that went to his head.
Yeah.
And it were all noughts and zeros. He didn't understand what it meant. It's called binary code or something along that lines.
Mm-hmm.
And you put it into a computer and it basically translated to loads of different coordinates. And it actually translated to a message.
Exactly. But guys, look, I will show you. Yes, of course, this is a model. This is a fake UFO. Come on, for God's sake. Anybody can come here. I can't believe some of you people in here. Gosh. But guys, look. This is what happened. This is the story. This is what was seen. And obviously just over there, is Woodbridge Airfield. And there's the story, look. Whether it's true or not, we will never know. As it said there, classified. Do your research, guys, before you're saying we are fake.
What
Okay?
we did is we
A reenactment.
told you a story.
We just tell you a story. But look, guys, this is what it says. This is some of the... You see? And it says, a selection of illustrations by Jim Pennison above and John Burroughs. I think they are the guys who actually found it or saw it.
Yep.
Okay? So that's it. And this is what they said they saw. All right? That's what they saw. And that is why that thing is there. Okay? But honestly, guys, believe in UFOs or not, it's such a strange place.
Everyone, do you know what? Let's just concentrate on the sky for a moment.
It is a bit like Blair Witch. I tell you, these woods are scary. Sky guys, look there. All right? You people need to do your research before you start calling us.
So we're looking for any shapes in the sky, any UFOs in the sky.
But how, seriously guys, how do you know there is no UFOs? Millions of UFOs are seen, you know, yearly. Before you start calling us, Google Rendlesham Forest, like I keep saying, UFO sightings.
Ignore people, honestly.
I know, but I just think they just
People don't want to hear us moaning.
deluded. You know, deluded.
You know, people are bound to...
Yeah, because they're just so narrow-minded. You know? And like we say, yes, the paranormal does also include UFOs. No thanks, Aaron Smith. Don't want to, thank you.
So do you guys believe in aliens? Let me know in the comments. Do you believe in ghosts?
I certainly do. More than I do spirit. More than I do. I'm going to get kicking some off. So, you see, again, people jump straight to conclusions. You need to do your research.
This was a bit of fun and storytelling, as well as trying to get some real communication.
See?
But
UFOs are real because, like we said, UFOs are seen, whether they're alien spacecraft, and it was seen here. So why is it fake? Why is it lying?
so we're just imagine being back in that day.
Exactly.
People are telling you not to be triggered by the by the people who are.
Sometimes it just,
You know, just ignore them like I do. I don't care what people think.
Thank you, Karen. You see, a lot of people do agree.
You know, people.
Yep, a lot of people have seen UFOs.
When we get viral videos like this one's probably going to be, it's going to have a wide diversity of opinion.
Yeah, I don't mind, but when people start calling us fake, we didn't make this story up, guys. You need to Google the facts. You know, Rendlesham Forest, UFO sighting. Exactly, Carol. I'd say we don't really know what's out there, but a UFO just is not a flying saucer or a spacecraft. It is.
Right guys, we're going to end this video now. Thank you for watching. We will see you all tonight at 9 o'clock, I think. So make sure you're all here. Make sure you all be here at that time. Make sure you all continue to talk to me in the comments. Let me know where you're all watching from. Share the stream and start a watch party, please. We'll see you all tonight. Thank you guys for watching. Bye all.
Thanks, bye-bye.